Really? Did you know that the Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth? Prepare to be amazed by its wonders. The Amazon rainforest is a vast tropical wilderness spanning across 9 countries in South America, covering 2.1 million square miles. It's home to an incredible diversity of plant and animal life. This magnificent forest produces 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the title of lungs of the earth. This lush green canopy houses 1 in 10 known species on Earth, including exotic creatures like jaguars, sloths, and poison dart frogs. But the true marvels lie beneath the surface, with an intricate root system that regulates the planet's oxygen and water cycles. Sadly, deforestation poses a significant threat to this ecological treasure trove. But amidst the challenges, hope blooms like a resilient seedling.